In this video, we'll cover how to set up your Canon PIXMA printer on a wireless network using the Easy Wireless Connect method on a Windows computer. Let's get started. Before connecting your printer to the network, confirm that your wireless router is available and properly set up. Also, confirm that your computer is connected to the network. First, make sure the printer is plugged in and powered on. The green light next to the power button will be lit when your printer is on. Now check your printer. If the power light is flashing, press the stop button. Next, press and hold the direct button until the icon starts to flash. The printer will enter Easy Wireless Connect mode. Now let's install the software. Download the installation files by visiting usa.canon.com/support. In the center search box, enter your model number. Click Software and Drivers. Verify that your operating system and version have been detected. Find the full driver and software package and click Download. When the locating and installing your download screen appears, review the information and click Close. Open the downloaded file to begin the installation. Click on Start Setup. The installation program will attempt to acquire information about the latest driver and software updates. This may take a few minutes. Select your place of residence and click Next. The license agreement screen will be displayed. Click Yes to continue with the installation. An extended survey program screen will appear. This optional program is used for the development and marketing of Canon products, so they'll better meet our customers' needs. If you agree to participate in the extended survey program, click Agree. If you click Do Not Agree, the extended survey program will not be installed. If you have security software on your computer, you may see this screen. Verify there's a check in the box next to Deactivate the block and click Next. On the Check the Connection Method screen, click Yes to continue with the wireless setup. The software setup may detect your wireless router's capabilities and display this screen. Select your wireless router and enter your wireless network password. Then click Next. The network connection is temporarily disabled during setup. This may take a few minutes. When you see the Connection Completed screen, click Next. Now the drivers will be installed. This may take a few minutes. Next, the printhead alignment screen will be displayed. Load plain paper into the printer. Click Printhead Alignment. Then click Start and follow the on-screen instructions. When the printhead alignment is complete, click Next. Now the test print window is displayed. If you'd like to make a test print, click Start. After test printing, click Next. You can skip test printing by simply clicking Next. Your printer is now connected to your computer. If this is your default printer, make sure the Set as Default Printer box is checked. Now the software will be installed. Click Next. A list of applications will appear. Click Next. The software will now be installed. This may take a few minutes. On this screen, you can get instructions on how to set up a mobile device such as a smartphone or tablet. Click Next. At this time, you'll be prompted to register your product. If you choose to register at this time, a new window will open. After registration is complete, you can continue with the installation. When this screen appears, click Exit to complete the installation. Congratulations! This completes the setup of your Canon PIXMA printer to a Windows computer using the Easy Wireless Connect method. Now you're ready to print or scan. For help with connecting your printer to a Mac, Android, or iOS device, please visit our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching!